Shopee. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Ayan! Ito po si Ces Martinez, 25. Ayan, yan po yung ating Glow Up Star this week. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Bet ko yung lipstick niya. Nandito ba si Ces Martinez? Nanonood ka ba ngayon?
Yes po.
Ayan, congratulations kay Ces Martinez. Nanalo siya ng 1,000 Shopee Pay credits. And to get to know our Glow Up Star of the Week, andito siya ngayon with us. Ces Martinez, nandito ka ba ngayon? Is Ces Martinez here? Ayan, Ces Martinez, nandito ka ba?
Yes po.
Okay, Ces Martinez, you can request to co-stream. Ayan, nag-co-stream ka na ba? Wait lang, Ces, ha? Ayan. We'll be inviting Ces on the live stream. Ayan, nag-request na siya.
Ay!
Ayan. Is to really be able to love ourselves and be confident. Okay? Yan. Diyan talaga nag-root yung confidence natin if we love ourselves first before, before others. Ayan. So, Ayan. So, again, guys, just like Ces, pwede kayong maging glow up star natin dito dito sa Shopee. So, if you guys want to share your glow up story, this is how you can join. Ipa-flash natin yung mechanics natin. Okay?
Kakaloka. Ay, hindi ko alam gagawin ko muna.
And that's it, Shopee fam. Ayan, you have another chance to join and become our next glow up star. Ayan, makinig ng mabuti guys dahil here's our criteria for judging para naman makatulong sa paggawa nyo ng inyong video. Okay? Okay. Again, guys, we'll be reading out the criteria for you. Okay? Again, napaka-important talaga nito para manalo kayo ng ating 1,000 Shopee Pay credits. Napaka-important that you really listen